Hi guys, I'm Anya and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am here with my top 5 favorite go-to foundations. Now I often get asked by people that how do you get that flawless base? How is your base always skin like? What brushes you use? What foundation you use? So I want to break it down for you. The secret to my base is these 5 foundations. These are beautiful foundations and sit gorgeously on your skin. And so if you want to know what these foundations are, then please continue watching. Now first up, I have this foundation. This is the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation with SPF 15. Full coverage, oil free, shine control. Now yes, this is for oily skin types. It has a matte finish. It is buildable and has a very smooth finish, and it says it has SPF, which is great, and it is long wear, which is true. It does not budge for the longest of hours. You can wear it for like 24 hours and it won't budge, and it won't budge seriously. And it is weightless. That is again true. I do not like heavy foundations or cakey foundations on my face, and most of the foundations that I will be showing you today are weightless and are very light on the skin and are skin light, which is great. Now I know this is suitable for oily skin and I have a dry skin, but still I use it only when I have long hours of wearing makeup. Like if I have to go for functions, weddings, when I know I will be sweating, and usually my T-zone gets to be a little more oily, so I don't want my makeup budging. So I use this when I know I will be stepping out of the house early in the morning and coming back late at night and I have to wear makeup. I wear this. So yeah, I personally love this, and it does not oxidize. So for people who does not know what oxidization of a foundation is, let me break this down for you. Oxidization is your foundation turning into an orange shade or losing its original color. The best way to test if your foundation is oxidizes or not is go to the store, try on your foundation over here, move around for a bit, like for the whole day, then see yourself in the mirror if your foundation is still provides coverage or not, and then you can make a call. Basically, you want to buy it or not, it oxidizes or not. So yeah. Next up, I have an affordable option. This is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is in the shade 128 Warm Nude. This is again matte, poreless, for normal to oily skin, but I don't know, it sits beautifully on my skin because I prep my skin very nicely before I apply my foundation. So this sits beautifully. I don't think I need to say anything about this product because the finish this product gives speaks for itself. This is again a buildable foundation and it does not oxidize. Like it will only oxidize if like you have very very oily skin, but I don't experience that. My mom, when she used this on her face, it oxidized soon, but on my face it sat very smoothly and it gave a very nice finish. And yeah. Next foundation that I have here is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation plus Concealer Foundation. This is in the shade 02 Natural. Now yes, this does the job for both concealer and foundation because this is highly full coverage foundation, and you just need a very little amount of this foundation. So I usually, whenever I have to use the Bobbi Brown one on a regular basis, I just mix this one with that one and they just sit beautifully on my skin. So yeah, this is again a buildable foundation. Like you can always use a smaller amount and get a sheer coverage, but if you use more amount, then it will be a more full coverage. So yeah, and it does not oxidize. Next up, I have one of my favorite foundations, which has the one of the most beautiful finish. It is this one. This is the NARS Sheer Glow Foundation. This is in the shade medium 2.5. Now this is for someone who has dry skin like me, and trust me, there are times when I feel like I have highlighter on, but I actually don't have any highlighter on. It is just this foundation. It seriously gives that sheer glow to your skin and sits beautifully, very, very beautifully, not at all cakey, totally skin-like. This I would recommend only for someone who has dry skin, not at all for someone who has oily skin, because you already have oily skin and using this तो पूरा दिन makeup पूरा ऐसे निकल आएगा. Because this literally leaves a very, very beautiful glow and is a must have, I guess, for someone who has dry skin. Oh, and yes, this is again buildable. Like you can just take a very, very small amount like this and just tap it and get a very less or a sheer coverage. But if you want more coverage, then you can always use the appropriate amount for your face and go on with it, and it does not oxidize. Next, and the last foundation that I have today is this one. This is the Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation. This is in the shade 03 Frisky Creme. Now, this foundation I literally wear every day to college, every day, and I have worn this to weddings as well. So you know it is buildable. It feels so skin-like. Like sometimes people on regular days ask me if I'm wearing makeup, but I actually have this on. So they think I'm not, but actually I am. This is how skin-like it is, and it looks just flawless on your skin. It is just like a better version of your skin. Like when you apply this, you will just feel like a better version of yourself. But obviously, if you are going for like a heavy function or a wedding or a party, then you can always build up the coverage, and even then it looks very skin-like and it does not look cakey at all. And yeah, I have nothing else to say. It says it has like a triple active action formula, anti-pollution, which is great, gives deep hydration, which is again great for us, and at the same time is oil control, has oil control action. So it is suitable for both skin types, oily, dry, normal, I mean all skin types. So gives deep hydration, so it is great for us like that dry skin girls, and it has oil control action, so it is great for oily skin girls as well, which is great. This is like my third tube, I guess. Yeah, it is my third tube, and I think I will buy it again and again because I literally love this and I wear this everywhere. Simplex, this is my go-to. ये ऊपर ही मतलब it is just like vanity में सबसे ऊपर पड़ा है. को कहीं पे भी जाना है, this is the first thing I reach out for, and that is automatic. That is not even intentional. Automatically, I just reach out for this foundation and I apply this. That is how beautiful this is. Is it, guys. One tip that I really wanted to talk about here is never buy your foundations or concealers online, simply because A, you do not know if it suits your skin type or not. B, you do not know if it oxidizes on your skin or not. And C, you do not know if it is the perfect color match for you or not. So I will always recommend that you actually go see how the product is, try it on your face, move around for a bit, see how if it reacts on your skin or not, if it suits your skin or not, if it oxidizes on your skin or not, is it transferable or not, and then buy the product. Because I am telling you for myself that all of these products, all of these foundations work well for me, do not oxidize on me, are great for my skin and sit beautifully on my skin and do not transfer on my from my skin. So I am basically telling for myself, but it is always better that you go and try it for yourself before buying it. That's all I had to say for today, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then don't forget to like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.